Terrific. Are we ready?
We're ready.
All right. Hi, this is Ani of Washington, D.C. Afro-American newspaper, social writer. I'm standing here with the Honorable Alexander, Ward 7 Councilwoman. How are you doing?
I'm well, thank you.
Well, great. We're standing here in the Center for
Green Urbanism.
Green Urbanism, and we are going to ask the question, what brings you to this particular piece of art?
This art is beautiful for one, and I think all the art is beautiful, but this piece is Mother Nature. So I think that brings it home for me, because that's my idea of what Mother Nature is.
Wow, and this is done by Miss Gloria Kirk, and so we're going to talk to her shortly. And I want to know, what is the influence of sustainability here in Ward 7? What inspires you?
Well, you know, I have to be the example of what going green is in an urban area, and I think we need to educate our residents about little things that they can do. And we're not aware of a simple thing as changing a light bulb for energy efficiency, or unplugging your appliances, or using natural resources, taking advantage of planting a tree even. So I think that we really need to educate our constituents and what to do, and this is the nucleus. This is the basis where we can bring in our residents. This is the center of Ward 7, where you can come in and see the beauty of your environment and learn something.
That's exciting. And so it's so noisy in here because everyone's excited to be here.
Everyone's excited, and we need this. We call this the downtown, the new downtown Ward 7. So
Wow.
This is just the beginning of so many great things to come.
Wow. And so then, would you like to set up office here in this house?
I would love to. I can't do that, but you can guarantee I'm going to have an event in this area so that the other parts of the city can see what we're doing in Ward 7. We're going green in Ward 7.
Now tell us, how can your constituents get in contact with you?
My constituents can get in contact with me with either email at yalexander@dccouncil.us, or they can call my office directly, 202-724-8068.
Wow, and my last question, what is the biggest thing or the best thing about sustainability, green energy, all the things? What really do you find the strongest piece of it that will affect Washington, D.C. the most?
Just that I guess we're saving our environment. I think we're saving our environment. It's, you know, global warming is evident, so we need to do more to save our environment for years to come.
Here we are with Councilwoman Alexander, innovator, leader for green and urban communities. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you. I hope
You
that was
got it
okay.
too.
Now, Ms. Kirk, you want